Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting for beginners, and we're going to help you avoid some common mistakes. So, let's get started. 1. Not having a plan. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not having a budget plan. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. 2. Not tracking your spending. It's crucial to keep track of your spending to avoid overspending. Use a budgeting app or a spreadsheet to keep tabs on your expenses. 3. Not having an emergency fund. It's important to have a safety net for unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3-6 months of your living expenses in case of emergencies. 4. Not saving for the future. Don't forget to save for your future. Set aside money for retirement, education, or other long-term goals. 5. Not adjusting your budget. Your budget should be flexible and adapt to your changing needs and circumstances. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Remember, budgeting is all about being proactive and taking control of your finances. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be on your way to becoming a budgeting pro. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, stay financially savvy.